Hey guys, in this video I want to go over how to use a gift card on a Doordash. So this is the official Doordash website, and this is what you do. If you're a mobile user for iOS or Android, you just create an account or sign into the Doordash app, and then you want to tap on the account icon at the top, okay? Then you want to click on gift card and then select redeem. So now we basically need to enter the gift card PIN, okay? And once you do that, you just want to go ahead and select redeem to your account. And you'll basically get a confirmation of the gift card amount basically appearing. And DoorDash will basically credit that amount to your next order automatically, okay? What you can also do is you can do this during checkout. So when you are on checkout, you just select view card, scroll down to the total, and you'll see promo. Just go ahead and select that and then select redeem now to the right of have a gift card. So there'll be this question. Just select redeem now and enter your 11-digit gift card PIN and select redeem gift card. Really that easy and simple. And for Android, it's the same process. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.